I was sent this product to review. These are your Quicklinks. They are 316 stainless steel, marine grade, corrosion resistant stainless steel links. There are 4 of them in the package here. These, let me pull one out and show you a little closer. These are a heavyweight. These are the 9/16 opening and the 1/2 inch. This is really easy to come apart so that you can, slip whatever you need to slip in here, a chain or whatever, but that's the opening there. So that's your 9/16. And you can put this back just by twisting that and securing it. It's very nice and secure when it's good and tight. These would be great for boating if you need something like to attach to your anchor chain, for hammocks, for swing sets. I know we tow things sometimes with our tractor. These are going to come in really handy when we have to do something like that. The weight limit on it is 3,300 pound working load, so pretty heavy, and an 8,300 pound braking load. So you've got, these are super sturdy is what I'm saying. They're a good weight, they're heavy. These are precision tapped, and I highly recommend them. I can't wait until we use them around the farm.